restores battery charge, maintains power, prevents breakdowns, and extends car battery lifespan. My today's video is about top 5 best car battery charger that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vevor car battery charger. This 12A smart battery charger is a versatile and powerful solution designed for a wide range of batteries, including lead-acid and LiFePO4 types across multiple voltages. Its adjustable output and professional mode make it suitable for both standard and specialized battery charging needs. It features 4 intelligent charging modes: normal charging, maintenance, desulfation for recovering aging batteries, and force mode for activating deeply discharged batteries below 1 VE. This adds strong flexibility and battery recovery capability. Safety is well covered with multiple protections such as overcurrent, reverse polarity, overheating, and overvoltage protection. The built-in thermal compensation further improves charging stability under different conditions. The 3.1-inch LCD display provides clear real-time charging information, making it easy for beginners and experienced users to monitor progress. With wide compatibility for vehicles, tools, and equipment, it is a practical all-in-one charger for everyday and professional use. Now our second product is Haibro car battery charger. This 6-in-1 smart car battery charger is a highly versatile and powerful solution for a wide range of vehicles and battery types. With adjustable current from 0.5A to 20A, it easily handles everything from small motorcycle batteries to large RV and deep cycle systems, making it a practical all-in-one charging device. It supports both 12V and 24V systems and offers 7 intelligent modes, including repair, AGM, LiFePO4, and maintenance charging. The 10-stage automatic charging process ensures optimized battery health, while the built-in battery repair mode helps recover sulfated batteries and extend lifespan when possible. A major advantage is its ability to act as a 12V DC power supply, useful for accessories or memory support during battery replacement. The LCD display provides real-time charging data, making operation simple and user-friendly. With strong safety protections, temperature compensation, and year-round reliability, this charger delivers smart, safe, and efficient performance for both everyday users and professionals. Our third product is Yonhan car battery charger. This 10A 12V/24V smart battery charger is a compact yet highly versatile all-in-one solution for maintaining and charging vehicle batteries. It functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, SUVs, and lawn equipment with compatible lead-acid battery types like AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded batteries. One of its strongest features is the temperature-adaptive winter and summer modes, which help prevent overcharging or undercharging in extreme weather conditions. The built-in safety protections, including reverse polarity, short circuit, and overcharge protection, add reliable peace of mind during use. The LCD display is clear and informative, showing voltage, current, power level, and mode, while the thermal sensor helps optimize charging performance. Its memory function is also convenient, restoring the last use setting after power loss. The repair mode adds value by helping revive older or idle batteries when possible. Overall, it's a practical and intelligent charger for everyday vehicle battery maintenance. Now number 4, Aiyonfei car battery charger. This Aiyonfei 20A smart battery charger is a powerful all-in-one solution designed for a wide range of batteries and vehicles. It supports 12V and 24V systems and is compatible with LiFePO4, lithium, AGM, GL, EFB, SLA, and standard lead-acid batteries, making it highly versatile for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. One standout feature is its adjustable 1A to 20A current with a 9-stage fast charging system, delivering up to 3 times faster charging compared to ordinary chargers. It also includes intelligent functions like button lock protection after startup, automatic sleep mode to save energy, and a memory function that recalls the last use settings. For battery maintenance, it offers trickle charging mode for long-term storage and an advanced pulse repair function to help restore aging or weak batteries when possible. Safety is well covered with multiple protections, including reverse polarity, overcurrent, overheating, and short-circuit protection. Overall, it's a smart, efficient, and feature-rich charger for everyday and professional use. And our last choice is Aiyonfei car battery charger. This 12V6A smart battery charger is a compact and practical all-in-one solution for maintaining and charging a wide range of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, EFB, VRLA, and flooded types. It works as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. With efficient 6A output, it supports batteries from 2Ah to 100Ah and delivers stable charging while including multiple safety protections such as reverse polarity, overvoltage, short circuit, and overcharge protection. The fireproof ABS housing and cooling system further enhance safety during operation. A key advantage is its automatic winter and summer charging modes, which adjust voltage based on temperature for reliable performance in all seasons. The LCD display provides clear real-time information, making it easy to monitor charging status. It also includes a trickle charging mode for long-term maintenance and a pulse repair function to help revive aging batteries when possible. Overall, it's a safe, user-friendly, and efficient charger for everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.